Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are good. Today we are going to learn how to find the Cartesian product of two sets. According to the definition, the Cartesian product of two sets A and B denoted by A cross B is the set of ordered pairs. Ordered pairs can be written in this form, okay? Where a small a belongs to our first set, which was taken as set A, and a small b means the second element of the ordered pair belongs to the set B, the second set which we have taken. Okay, we can write it as A cross B equals set which contains the ordered pair. Ordered pairs are written in small brackets with a comma separating both the elements. A comma B such that A belongs to first set which was taken as set A and B belongs to set B which is taken as second set. Cartesian product is basically the pairing of the elements of two sets. For example, if we consider two sets, set A which contains carrot, brinjal, ladyfinger, and set B which contains apple, orange, grapes, and strawberry. Now we want to make the pairs of the elements of both the sets. Here we can see we can pair them in different ways. If we take a carrot, we can make a pair with apple. We can also make a pair with orange. We can also make a pair with grapes. We can also make a pair with strawberry. It means for carrot we have four options, either to pair it with apple, with orange, with grapes, or with strawberry. Okay, if we take brinjal, again we have four options. We can pair it with apple, we can pair it with orange, with grapes, and with strawberry. For carrot we have four options, for brinjal we have four options, and in the same way for ladyfinger we have also four options. Okay, in mathematics we can write it as the ordered pair C comma A, it means the pair of carrot and apple. C comma O, it means the pair of carrot and orange. Then C comma G, carrot and grapes. C comma S, carrot and strawberry. Then brinjal and apple, so BA. Brinjal orange, brinjal grapes, brinjal strawberry. Then ladyfinger apple, ladyfinger orange, ladyfinger grapes, ladyfinger strawberry. These are the ordered pairs which we have made. As the name indicates, they are ordered pair. It means order is important. C comma A is not equals to A comma C. Now take an example. Suppose we have two sets. Set A which contains A comma B and set B 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to find A cross B, A Cartesian product B and B cross A. Okay. Here set A is A comma B and set B is 1, 2, 3. We are finding A cross B, A Cartesian product B. It means we are going to make the pairs of set elements of set A with the element of set B. It means we will make a pair of A with 1, A with 2, A with 3. Then B1, B2, B3. Okay. Ordered pairs are always written in small brackets. So A1, A2, A3. These are the pairs of A. Now making the pairs of B, B1, B2, B3. This is A cross B. If we want to find B cross A, okay, this is B cross A. It means we will make the pairs of the elements of B, of set B with set A. It means we will take 1 and make pairs of it, 1A and 1B. Then we will take 2 and make pairs of it, BA and sorry, 2a and 2b. Then we will take 3 and make pairs of it, 3a and 3b. Here we can say see a cross b has a comma 1, a comma 2, a comma 3, b comma 1, b comma 2, b comma 3. In b cross a we have 1 comma a, 1 comma b, 2 comma a, 2 comma b, 3 comma a, 3 comma b. We can see that a comma 1 and 1 comma a are not equal because they are ordered pairs. In ordered pairs, order is important. So a cross b is not equals to b cross a. Okay. Now if we want to find the total number of ordered pairs which can be made in a Cartesian product. Okay, in set A we have two elements, in set B we have three elements. So the total number of ordered pairs will be 3 multiplied by 2. 3 twos are 6. Okay, if a set has 3 elements, set B has 5 elements, then there will be 15. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 15 ordered pairs in A cross B. You have to keep in mind that the ordered pairs a comma b and b comma a are not the same unless a is equals b. Two ordered pairs a comma b and c comma d are equal if and only if a is equals to c and b is equals to d. It means the first element of first ordered pair is equals to the first element of first ordered pair. Similarly, second element of first ordered pair is equals to the second element of second ordered pair. Only then these two ordered pairs will be equal. If either A or B is empty, then A cross B will be a null set. If we are taking the Cartesian product of a set with an empty set, then we will get an empty set. And A cross B and B cross A both are not equal unless A is equals to B. We have proved this in the previous example. Now we are starting our exercise 1.3, question number 1. If A is equals A, B, C, D and B is equals Y and Z, we have to find A cross B, B cross A cross A, B cross B, and also we have to show that A cross B is not equals to B cross A. Okay, now consider the sets, set A, B, C, D, set B, Y and Z. Now we are going to find A cross B. A cross B means we will write set A first, then cross and then set B. Okay, A cross B, we will write set A first and then set B. Now we are making the pairs of the elements of set A. Make pairs of A, AX, AY and AZ. AY, AZ. Now we will make the pairs of B, BY and BZ. Similarly for C, CY and CZ. And for D, DY and DZ. We can also check. We have 4 elements here. We have 2 elements here. And 4 twos are 8. It means we will get 8 ordered pairs. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have made 8 ordered pairs. That means our working is correct. This is A cross B. To find B cross A, we will write set B first, Y and Z, cross, then set A. Now we are making the pairs of this Y with A, B, C, D, and then pairs of Z with A, B, C, and D. B cross A will be YA, YB, YC, YD. These are the pairs of Y. Then we will make the pairs of Z. They will be ZA, ZB, ZC, ZD. Again we can see that we have got 8 ordered pairs because we have 2 elements here and 4 elements here, and 2 fours are 8. So we have got 8 ordered pairs. Now here we can see that A cross B and B cross A are not equal because we have learned that A comma Y and Y comma A are not equal. Okay, so A cross B and B cross A are not equal. We have showed this part. Part 1 is done, part 2 is done. Moving to part 3. Part 3 is A cross A. Now you are finding the Cartesian product of set A with itself. Set A is A, B, C, D. Again, we are finding the Cartesian product of set A with itself. So set A is again A, B, C, D. A cross A is this. Here we can see that we have 4 elements here. Also, we have 4 elements here, and 4 fours are 16. So we will have total 16 ordered pairs. Now start making the ordered pairs. First, we will make the pairs of this A with this A, B, C, and D. It means pairs of A will be AA, AB, AC, AD. Then we will make the pairs of B, BA, BB, BC, BD. These are the pairs of B. Same thing happens with for this C and for this D. Now we can check that we have made 16 ordered pairs. In the same way you will find B cross B. Question number 1 is done. We have question number 2. Suppose that the ordered pairs x plus y comma 2, this is an ordered pair, the first ordered pair, and 4 comma x minus y are equal. These two ordered pairs are equal, and we have to find the value of x and y. Previously we have learned that if two ordered pairs are equal, then the first elements of both the ordered pairs will be equal and the second elements of both the ordered pairs will be equal. So it is given that the ordered pairs are equal. It is given to you. It means the first elements will be equal and the second elements will be equal. So x plus y is equals 4. This is our first equation. And x minus y is equals to, this is our second equation. Okay. Two ordered pairs are equal. It means the first elements will be equal. We have got first equation from this. Two ordered pairs are equal. It means second elements will also be equal. We have got second equation from this. Okay, now we are going to solve both the equations to find the value of x and y. On adding both the equation, we have got x plus y plus x minus y is equals 4 plus 2. We have added both the equation. Left hand sides are added together and the right hand sides are added together. This y and this y will be cancelled out. We are left with 2x is equals 6. Now you can find the value of x. X is equals 6 upon 2, which is equals to 3. This is the value of x. Now to find the value of y, we will put this value of x in any of these equations. Okay, to find the value of y, you can put this value of x in any of these equations. Okay, putting x is equals 3 in 1, you may also put it in equation number 2. You will get the value of y. Okay, you can also use the substitution or comparison method here to find the values. Now question number 3, exercise 1.3, question number 3. Set A is given to you, set B and set C are given to you. You have to find part A cross B union C. Part 2, A cross B union A cross C. Part 3, A cross B intersection C. Part 4, A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay, starting with part A. Part A has A cross B union C. It means we have to find the Cartesian product of set A with the set of B union C. We have set A, set B and set C. So we will find the set of B union C first. So finding the set of B union C, we know that to find the union, we write down all the elements of both the sets. So B union C will have 2, 3 and 4. Do not repeat the elements, okay? Now find the Cartesian product. Set A is A comma B and the set B union C has 2, 3 and 4. Okay, to find the Cartesian product, we have to make the pairs. Now, start making the pairs. We will make the pairs of A with 2, 3 and 4. So A2, A3, A4. Now, we will make the pairs of B with 2, 3 and 4. So B2, B3 and B4. This is, we have got A cross B union C. Part 1 is done. In the exact same way, you will do part 3. Okay. In part 3, instead of finding B union C, you will find B intersection C and then take the Cartesian product with set A. Okay. You have to do it yourself. After part 3, we have part 4. Part 4 has A cross B intersection A cross C. We have to find the intersection of A cross B and A cross C. It means we will find A cross B first, then A cross C, and then we will find the intersection of these two sets. So A cross B, set A is A comma B, set B is 2, 3. To find A cross B, we will find, we will have set A, AB cross 2, 3, making the pairs A2 and A3, then B2 and B3. Here we can check that we have two elements here, we have two elements here. So the number of Cartesian products will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now A cross C. To find A cross C, we will write set A first. Set A is A cross A comma B. Cross set C is 3 comma 4. Making the ordered pairs, we will have A3 A4 and B3 B4. Now we are going to find the intersection of these two sets. A cross B intersection A cross C. We know that in intersection we just write down the common elements. Here A comma 3, A comma 3, this is common. B comma 3, B comma 3, this is common. So our answer will have A comma 3, comma B comma 3. Okay, ordered pairs will be written in a small bracket and we will use these curly brackets to represent the set. In the exact same way, you will solve part 2. Okay, you will find A cross B, you will find A cross C and then find the union. In this part, you have solved for the intersection. In part 2, you will solve for union. Question number 4. For the sets given in question number 3, again the sets given in question number 3, you will use these sets for question number 4. You have to find these three parts. Set A was A comma B, set B 2 comma 3 and set C 3 comma 4. Now you have to find A cross B minus C, B difference C. Okay, to find the Cartesian product of A with B difference C, you will find B difference C first, B minus C first. Okay, you will write set B, which is 2 comma 3, minus set C 3 comma 4. In difference, we just cancel out the common elements and write down the remaining elements of only the first set. Okay, so B minus C will be just 2. Now find the Cartesian product. Set A comma B, Cartesian product, B minus C is 2. Now making the ordered pairs, A2 and B2. That's it. We have two elements here, we have one element here, and 2 ones are 2. So we have got two ordered pairs. This is A Cartesian product B minus C. Okay, in the exact same way, you will solve part 2. Okay, now part 3. In part 3, the question has A cross B symmetric difference C. In the previous question, you have found out B difference C. Here you have to find B symmetric difference C. Okay, You will follow the same steps. Set A is given to you, set B is given to you, and set C is given to you. You will find B symmetric difference C first. Okay, set B is 2 comma 3, symmetric difference. Set C is 3 comma 4. In symmetric difference, we just cancel out the common elements and write down the remaining elements of both the sets. Okay, so B symmetric difference will have 2 comma 4. This is B symmetric difference C. Now we are finding the Cartesian product A cross B symmetric difference C. Set A is AB cross B symmetric difference C is just 2 and 4. Now making the ordered pairs. Pairs of A will be A2 and A4. Pairs of B will be B2 and B4. That's it. We have two elements here and two elements here, so we will have four ordered pairs. We have got four ordered pairs. It means we are done. Question number 5, exercise 1.3, question number 5. This is actually question number 5. Set A is given, set B is given, and set C is given. You have to find out all these six parts. Okay, start solving for part 1. Part 1 is A difference B, Cartesian product B difference C, A minus B cross B minus C. So you will find A minus B first, A minus B, A difference B. Set A has 1, 2, 3, 4. Difference set B has 2, 4, 5, 6. In difference, we cancel out the common elements and write down the remaining elements of only first set. So A minus B is just 1 and 3. Okay, now B minus C in the exact same way, 2 and 6 will be cancelled out and we will have just 4 and 5. Now finding the Cartesian product of A minus B and B minus C. We will get 1, 4, 1, 5 and 3, 4, 3, 5. Okay, this is part 1. Part 2, you have to do it yourself. Okay, you will find the intersection of A and B first, then the intersection of A and C, and then you will find the Cartesian product of both the sets. You have to do it yourself. Part 3, A Cartesian product B, intersection B Cartesian product C. It means all three sets are given. You will find A cross B first, A cross B first. Okay, we have four elements here, we have four elements here. It means we will have total 16 ordered pairs. Start making the pairs. Pairs of 1 will be 1 2, 1 4, 1 5 and 1 6. Pair of 2 will be 2 4, 2 5, 2 2, 2 4, 2 5 and 2 6. Pairs of 3 will be 3 2, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. And pairs of 4 will be 4 2, 4 4, 4 5 and 4 6. We have made total 16 ordered pairs. Okay, in the exact same way you will find B cross C. Okay, pairs of 2, pairs of 4, pairs of 5 and pairs of 6. This is B cross C. Now you will find the intersection of these two sets, A cross B and B cross C. A cross B is this, intersection B cross C is this. In intersection we just write down the common elements. So 2 comma 2, 2 comma 6, 4 comma 2 and 4 comma 6 are the same or common ordered pairs. So our answer will be this. Okay, this is part 3. Moving on to part 4. You will solve part 4 in the exact same way. First find A cross B, then find B cross C, and then find the difference. Difference means cancel out the common ordered pairs and write down the remaining ordered pairs of only the first set. Okay, you have to do it yourself. Part 5. A symmetric difference B, Cartesian product B intersection C. So set A, B, C are given to you. First you will find A symmetric difference B. This is set A, symmetric difference, set B. In symmetric difference we cancel out the common elements and write the remaining elements of both sets. Okay, so A symmetric difference will have 1, 3, 5 and 6. Okay, now finding B intersection C. We know that in an intersection we just write the common elements of both the sets. So common elements are 2 and 6. So B intersection C is 2 comma 6. Now finding the Cartesian product. A symmetric difference B cross B intersection C. So A symmetric difference B is written first. So we will write the set of A symmetric difference B first. So 1, 3, 5, 6. Cartesian product B intersection C, we will have 2 comma 6. Now we are making the ordered pairs. Pairs of 1 are 1, 2 and 1, 6. Pairs of 3, 3, 2 and 3, 6. Pairs of 5, 5, 2, 5, 6. Pairs of 6 are 6, 2 and 6, 6. This is our answer. After part 5 we have part 6. Okay, in part 6 set A, B, C are the same which were given in the previous questions. Okay, you will find B cross C first in the exact same way as explained in the previous questions. Okay, 4 elements, so we will have total 16 ordered pairs. These are the ordered pairs. Okay, now C cross A in the exact same way. Set C, Cartesian product, set A, making the pairs. These are the pairs. Okay, in the exact same way as explained in previous questions. Now we have to find the symmetric difference of these two sets. So write down the sets first. Now find the symmetric difference. We know that in symmetric difference we cancel out the common elements. So 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 6 comma 2 and 6 comma 3 will be cancelled out, and the remaining elements of both the sets will be written. So our answer will have all the remaining ordered pairs. Okay, that was part 6 of question number 5. That's it. We have done all the relative questions of this exercise. Thank you so much.